Start with the slip knot and chain 20, or else you can start off with any number of chains. Now we'll start with the half double crochet slip stitch. Into the second chain from the hook, we'll start making this stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop and make a slip stitch to both the loops. This is one half double crochet slip stitch done. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch to both these loops. Hold this loop over here, it will be easy to pull up the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Hold this middle loop and make the slip stitch. This is the next stitch. Continue with the stitches until the end. The last stitch. This is how it will look. Once you reach the end, chain one and turn your work. This is how it will look. The slip stitch creates this bump over here. Next round, yarn over. This is the bump and this is the stitch we'll be working into. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Hold this middle loop and make the slip stitch to both the loops. Continue with the stitches. Yarn over. This is the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Hold this middle loop and pull through both the loops. Continue with the stitches. This is the last stitch. Make the slip stitch, chain one and turn your work and continue with the rest of the rounds. This is how the stitch pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.